Welcome to the next Career Xplora tutorial video. This video will assist you to complete your Career Xplora account. In order for the system to work for you, you are required to complete relevant information. This will allow the system to identify opportunities specifically for you. Log on to UWC Career Xplora and click on the arrow next to the notification bell on the top right hand side of your homepage. Then click on the Personal Information tab to access My Account. In My Account, you have 6 tabs to complete. Remember, all fields with red asterisks are compulsory. Get started by indicating that you are currently seeking in order for the system to recognize you as a student entering the job market. MI refers to your middle name. You can skip this if you wish. Your email. This must be your UWC Gmail account. So it would be studentnumber@myuwc.ac.za. Complete your address, date of birth and gender. Please note, your student number cannot be edited as it is your access to the system. If you have a visual impairment, select yes for the accessible mode as it improves accessibility and compatibility with screen reader software. Once you come to the end of the page, press save and continue and you will move on to the academic tab. This is one of the most important pages in your Career Xplora account, as the information entered here will indicate to the system which opportunities and events to notify you about. Indicate if you are a current student or an alumnus. Enter your degree level and name and your expected graduation date. For your class level, kindly select the worded version and not the number. Make sure you select up to 3 majors to widen your job search. The GPA details can be ignored as it is not required for South Africa. Indicate if you are allowed to work in South Africa. South African students, this means yes. International students, this will depend on your work permit and citizen status. Then indicate your geographical preferences, your career interests and locations. Click Save and Continue. You are now on the Privacy tab. Read and accept the terms and conditions and select your communication settings. These functions allow you to receive notifications about on-campus career events, and we encourage you to say yes and to sync. For text messages, this function, although not yet activated, will in the future allow you to receive SMS notifications about events based on your majors selected. We encourage you to say yes. Job loss. This function allows you to receive weekly job loss notifications about job opportunities based on your majors. Once again, if you say no, you are missing out. Also, do use your Google Calendar. So this function allows the system to save reminders into your UWC Gmail calendar. Make sure that you authorize this in order not to miss out on great recruiting events on campus. Now that you've synchronized your settings, press the Save the Changes tab and not the Save the Changes and Continue tab. Once you've pressed Save the Changes, click on the Password tab above. This function will allow you to change your password. Only change your password if you wish to change it from your date of birth. Alternately, click on the next tab, Notification Settings. Choose what you'd like to be notified about in the website and the mobile app. Select your preferences and press Save. Finally, you will get to the Social Media tab. Although the system offers this function, we strongly advise you to not activate this function. Press Cancel and keep your professional and personal accounts separate. The setup of your account is complete. The system is now set up to work for you and you will have access to all the cool resources on the blue taskbar on your left. Let us visit your home page and navigate it. The bell on your right will notify you about updates regarding events and opportunities. Your home page also highlights jobs that Career Xplora identifies for you, as well as announcements by Career Service. Plus, there's a shortcut to your online resource center. Watch the next video on how to use the resume builder to create your CV and letter of motivation. For further assistance, contact the Office for Student Development. We are situated on the first floor of the Student Center, past the cafeteria towards the lift.